Linear programming problem illustration 5. A manufacturing company makes two models A and B of a product. Each piece of model A requires 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Each piece of model B requires 12 labor hours for fabricating and 3 labor hours for finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours available are 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 on each piece of model A and rupees 12,000 on each piece of model B. How many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured per week to realize a maximum profit? What is the maximum profit per week? Solution. Suppose X is the number of pieces of model A and Y is the number of pieces of model B. Then total profit in rupees, that is equal to 8,000 X plus 12,000 Y. Let Z is equal to our objective function. Z is equal to 8,000 X plus 12,000 Y. So maximize Z. Objective function Z is equal to 8,000 X plus 12,000 Y. First equation, subject to the constraint 9x plus 12y less than equal to 180, fabricating constraint, that is 3x plus 4y less than equal to 60 divided by 3. X plus 3y less than equal to 30, finishing constraint, third equation, and xy always greater than equal to 0, non-negative constraint, that is our fourth equation. Now to draw constraint 3x plus 4y less than equal to 60, first equation, we treat it as 3x plus 4y that is equal to 60. Putting x is equal to 0 in the above equation, then y 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 60, 4y is equal to 60. So y is equal to 60 by 4, we have 15. And when y is equal to 0, putting in the above equation, 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 60, 3x is equal to 60, therefore x is equal to 60 by 3, we have x 20. So when putting x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 15, and by putting y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 20. Now to draw a constant x plus 3y less than equal to 30, that is our second constant, we treat as x plus 3y is equal to 30. When putting x is equal to 0 in the above equation, 0 plus 3y is equal to 30, 3y is equal to 30, therefore y is equal to 30 by 3, that is equal to 10. And when putting y is equal to 0, x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 30, so we got x is equal to 30. So by putting x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 10, and when putting y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 30. This is the summary. 9x plus 12y less than equal to 80 and 3x plus 4y less than equal to 60. By putting 0 equation, putting 0 x, y is equal to 15, and putting y 0, we have x 20. Others constant x plus 3y less than equal to 30, we put x 0, got y 10, and put x y 0, we got x 30. Now we will make it, draw a graph. We got this line, draw a line using 3x plus 4y that is equal to 60, which is less than equal to 60. So this blue, that is shaded in blue color, and next line, next equation is x plus 3y that is equal to 30. So this line indicates this one, x plus 3y is equal to 30, which is also less than equal to 30, which comes inside this area. So Now here we can see that this intersection part is our feasible region, this one, and 0 10, then 12 6 and 20 0 is our coordinates of this and which will be put in the z equation, maximize z, that is equal to 8000x plus 12000 y. So by putting this coordinate 0 0 in the z equation, we have 0, and putting 20 0, we in the z equation, we have the value 1,60,000. Putting 12 6 in the z equation, we have 1,68,000, and putting 0 10, we have value 1,20,000. So here we can see that 1,68,000 is the highest value. So our maximum z is at the point 12 6, which have highest value 1,68,000. So here we can conclude that the feasible region shaded OAB by the linear inequalities 2 to 4 is shown in the figure. Note that the feasible region is bounded. We find that maximum value of Z is 1,68,000 at B, that is 12 6 corner point. Hence the company should produce 12 pieces of model A and 6 pieces of model B to realize maximum profit, and maximum profit then will be rupees 1,68,000.